What's going on, folks? My name is Jordan Joie and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a very important topic. What is Forex and how do I get started in 2023? Now listen, I get asked this question a whole lot by friends, family, people in my DMs. People want to know what Forex is, how do people make money in Forex, and quite frankly, is Forex a scam? All fair questions. But let's start by breaking it down in a few steps. Step number one, you want to make sure you do your research. Do your research, people. By now, there are tons and tons of information out on the Forex market, different ways to trade Forex, different strategies to use. But where that may be a good thing, that could also be a bad thing. For a beginner, it could feel a little overwhelming. It could feel like you don't know where to start. You need a resource that's going to break things down in a way for you to understand as a baby, because that's what you are starting out in this industry. That's where I recommend babypips.com. Babypips.com is a great platform for anyone who's starting out, who wants to know about the Forex industry and doesn't know absolutely anything. They really do a great job at dumbing things down in a way for people to understand. So if you go here in the Learn Forex area, you can click on how to trade Forex or start learning. And the way Baby Pips breaks down their platform is by using the school of Pipsology. And they treat you as if you are in a school. And obviously you're going to start with preschool and learn the very elementary concepts of the Forex market. And as you progress through preschool, you make it to kindergarten. And from kindergarten to elementary, then middle school, high school, so on and so forth. But they really put it in a way for you to best understand, slowly progress in the knowledge as you gain more and more from what they're teaching you. And I think it's a great platform for any beginner trader. Next, we also have Forex.com. Forex.com is going to be similar to babypips.com. Forex.com also provides a platform for beginner traders, and not just beginner traders, but intermediary traders, as well as advanced traders, to learn a little bit more about the Forex market. If you want to learn, you want to go to this section where it says Academy, click on the overview in the education subsection. That'll take you to the different types of levels that they have in terms of their information. If you're a beginner, you can start at the beginning concepts, intermediate, and then advanced, as well as some quizzes to test your knowledge. All in all, Forex.com is also a great platform for a beginner trader to start learning about the Forex market. Last but not least, we have YouTube. YouTube is also another great source in learning about the Forex market. Now, the only thing I'll caution about YouTube is that it's very easy to get lost in YouTube as well, right? There's so many people who have put their information out there on YouTube, and it may be hard to figure out where to begin. And another thing about YouTube is that ultimately traders are also going to share their lifestyles and the money they're making and the cars they're buying and the places they're traveling. And it's easy to get caught up in the fantasy world of Forex, the fantasy world of making it as a multi-million-dollar Forex trader. And there's nothing wrong with the motivational purposes of that. But you don't want to get so stuck in fantasy that all you do is watch Forex videos, or never actually study, or never actually put in the work of actually becoming that great Forex trader. So YouTube can be a great source. Use it wisely, use it modestly for purposes of motivation, more information, but don't get so lost that you forget to actually put in your own time into your own craft. Step number two, you want to start your demo account. Now, in order to start your demo account, you need to be signed up with a broker. A broker is going to provide leverage for you to trade in the Forex market. But we want to first start by opening up a demo account. Now, you want to be very careful. There are many brokers that have been flagged for shady practices, and you don't want to be caught up with those brokers. Below in the description field, I'll leave a list of brokers that I've used in the past and that have not given me any trouble. Now, after signing up for your demo account, you want to download MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 4 or 5 are the trading platforms where you're going to execute your trades. The broker is going to provide leverage for you to be able to have money to execute those trades, and the actual platform where you execute those trades are going to be on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. You want to download that on your laptop, as well as downloading it on your phone in the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your phone. Last but not least, you want to sign up for a TradingView account. before you execute any trades, very important that you take a look at the chart of the pair that you want to trade. See how it's moving. Start employing strategies and different ways that you can expect the market to move, whether up or down, or maybe even sideways. But TradingView is definitely a great resource to use to understand how the market is moving, different strategies that can tell you where the market might be going, and setting alerts when market hits your price of interest and you want to execute on that trade. Step number 3, you want to invest in your knowledge. This is probably one of the most important steps here. Invest in your knowledge. When I was starting out, I was not shy in investing in my knowledge. I signed up for many courses. And to be very honest with you, a lot of the courses I signed up for, their strategies didn't really fit me. But it was actually a good thing that I did that. In your journey as a Forex trader, you want to figure out what style is best for you. And a part of figuring that out is knowing what works for you, but also knowing what doesn't work for you too. So investing in your knowledge and signing up for courses is a great way of understanding which style is going to fit you best. And it may not be one person's trading style. It may be a combination of 1, 2, or 3 people's trading styles, but you won't know if you don't invest in your knowledge. Some courses that I would recommend that I've taken in the past: Wall Street Academy, the Swag Academy, Day Trading Institution. All of these courses are some great courses in order for you to start understanding the Forex market, getting a perspective of the main trader on how they found success in the market, and seeing if that strategy is best for you. Last but not least, beware. Yes, in the Forex industry, it is packed with scams, unfortunately. And to be honest, this has been giving the Forex industry a very bad name, to the point where people who don't know much about Forex just associate Forex with scamming. But rest assured, Forex is not a scam. There are many people in this industry who make plenty of money without scamming, actually trading the market and understanding the market. Now, what's very important to understand is there are no shortcuts in this industry. If you want to be a Forex trader and if you want to succeed as a trader, you're going to have to put in the work. Anyone who is coming up to you and promising you returns on your investment, that should be a big red flag for you. Because whether it be the Forex industry, the stock market, or any investment vehicle, no one can promise you any return on your money. You need to do the work, you need to spend the time, you need to make the sacrifice, and you need to make it happen. So remember, don't fall for the get-rich-quick scams. Do this the right way and you won't regret it. Ultimately, if you want to start becoming a Forex trader in 2023, it's completely up to you. But it's very important that you take these steps and you take them seriously. If you want to succeed in this industry, it's not going to be easy. It's going to take a lot of time, a lot of passion, a lot of sacrifice. But in the end, if you do all of these things and you're disciplined enough, it'll be all worth it. So in 2023, make a promise to yourself that you're going to be better. You're going to take things seriously. You're going to start exploring ways to change your life and the lives of others around you. Thank you all for listening. And if you like this video, please do hit the like button, subscribe, share with somebody who might be interested, and let's continue to make this money together. Peace.